A St. James man is dead after he tried to rob the Bank of Nova Scotia in the parish capital this morning. The heist was foiled by on-duty security guards. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
That amateur recording captured the emotions of frightened customers and staff of the Bank of Nova Scotia in Sam Sharp Square, Montego Bay, St. James, Wednesday morning. An unemployed man, identified as 20-year-old Dwight Anglin from Norwood, St. James, attempted to rob the bank a few minutes after 8 o'clock. However, his plan was foiled by security guards. The police report says the security guard tried to defuse the situation without bloodshed, but he then shot the would-be robber after he refused to comply with requests to drop his weapon, release the bank teller, and threatened to kill her. The attacker was shot once in the upper body. A resident gave his account of the incident.
The man hold the woman's foot. Can hold the woman's foot. In there. And just a look, and the people must say, leg of the woman's foot, leg of the woman's foot, and he now leg of the woman's foot. Still, he security them, point the gun upon the man. Until when he go in the corner, they shot him in the corner. Going there to rob the bank.
In this recording, a woman believed to be the bank teller, who was briefly detained by the would-be robber, can be heard screaming thank you to other persons. Apart from the would-be robber, no one else was physically harmed during the incident, but the trauma from the ordeal is likely to linger for a while.
And the people them in the ball, can win the ball too.
Detectives say they also recovered a bag with 2 knives and clothes from the scene that are believed to be the belongings of the attacker. Moments after the incident unfolded, security forces were seen occupying positions around the area. One resident in the meantime is calling on the security forces to increase their policing of Montego Bay.
In a St. Town, why we need police in the parade like first time. We need the police and the soldiers them to start search, because there are some people they come from, they worry coming out of town, going to do robbery.
The branch was closed after the incident. Scotia Bank says the branch will remain closed for the rest of the week. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, the police say that Mr. Anglin was a person of interest in incidents in which members of the Chinese community were robbed at knife point over the past few weeks and a robbery at the supermarket on St. James Street on Monday. He was also being sought for questioning in connection with the wounding of 2 foreign nationals during a robbery on Harbour Street in Montego Bay on December 20.